This road was really an annual maintenance issue every year for us, and what we were seeing develop over and over and over was significant potholing, significant washboarding, lots of dust hanging in the river corridor, lots of noise in the river corridor. So it was partially an experience for the drivers, but also for the folks on the river corridor, for recreationists. It just has gotten to the point where the maintenance load of this was pretty untenable to keep up with, and so folks needed to expect that the road was going to be in pretty bad shape much of the time and just fairly impossible to keep up with. You know, the other reason for this project is just the increase in traffic from the Missoula area. This is right in Missoula's backyard, and the use is not going to decrease. In fact, you know, recreational use across the area is increasing pretty steadily. And so when that increasing use continues to happen, this improved roadway will be able to handle that increasing use better. It'll be surfaced, it'll be chip sealed. We made efforts to make sure it wasn't a really distracting color. So hopefully that chip sealed surface will blend into the environment for folks, and it'll just be a smoother experience, more durable, easier to maintain, and none of that washboarding and potholing that we've seen before.